Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add a reply in Instagram comment. First is you have to open any web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out manychat.com and then you'd be able to see this page. So let me just show you. Just type out manychat.com and you'll be able to see this option. So you just have to select what channel would you like to start with. So we're going to click on the Instagram option, this one at the top, and then this page will open. Okay, so right here, you just have to connect to Instagram. So you just follow the instructions to connect Instagram account. So you just have to click on the go to Facebook option. So by clicking the button below, you will proceed to the Facebook connection automation. Okay, so just click on this option and then this page will pop up on your screen and then just have to continue with your Facebook account. Okay, so ManyChat will receive your name and profile pictures. So this doesn't let ManyChat post to Facebook without your permission. So just click on continue. Right here, just have to connect to Instagram. Start automating your message by connecting your Instagram account to ManyChat in a few simple steps. So first is you have to log in Instagram. If you have a personal Instagram account, you'll switch to professional account in this step. And then the next step is to connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page. So only page admin can do this. And then the next one is to allow messaging permissions for ManyChat. And then make sure you have your Instagram username and password ready. And then just have to click on get started. Then right here, you'll then just have to type out your Instagram username and password to log in. Just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, you just have to select which best describes you. So you just have to select creator in order to create your professional Instagram account. So just click on next. Right here, just have to read this one and click on next. And then right here, just have to select a category. So you can also show this category in your profile if you want this one. And then right here, just had to select one of this. So I'm going to select personal blog and then just click on done. Then after that, now your Instagram creator account is ready. So what you're going to do next is you just have to click on the done option. Okay, that's right. And right here, would you like to create a new Facebook page? So you just have to click on yes and create your Facebook page so that you'd be able to connect it with your Instagram. Then now that you have your Facebook page and Instagram account ready, you have to allow access to messages. So when this turn on, people with approved access to your connected tools can view and send messages from your Instagram account. So make sure to toggle the switch on and then click on done. Now updating the Instagram account settings, you just have to wait and then make sure to select your page and then click on next. And then make sure that you have enabled this, everything right here, so that ManyChat will be able to access and have permissions to access this settings. So once you're done is you just have to click on the done button. Okay, so just click on done after that. And then just have to click on OK. So you've now linked ManyChat to Facebook. And then just click on OK. And then right here, you just have to connect it to your page. Okay, so just click on connect. And congratulations, your account is successfully connected to ManyChat. So just have to click on next. So right here can enable trial and get more value. So if you want to unlock the pro version of this one, so you can unlock the pro features, engage across all channels and get more leads. So for this one, I'm just going to start with the free plan. You just have to click on the free plan option. Right here, just have to select which is the primary purpose of creating your account. So maybe personal use or client needs, and then click on next. Then just click on how do you intend to use ManyChat. So I'm going to select both and then just click on next. And right here, just have to select which describes your intent to use ManyChat. So I'm going to select personal project and then just click on next. And right here, what best describes your niche? So I'm just going to select creator and then just click on next. And then in what ways are you currently monetizing your account? So you just have to select and then just simply click on next. And right here, what other marketing and business tools do you use for business? You just have to select any of this and then just click on next. So now that you're here on your ManyChat dashboard, next thing that you should do is to click on this automation button or automation option, this one at the left side of our screen, and then make sure to click on the add new automations. You can click any of these two, either this one at the top right or this one at the bottom center. Okay, and then right here you have the ready to go templates. So if you want to use a ready to go template, you just have to scroll down. But for this one, I'm going to show you on how to start from scratch. Okay, so the first thing is we have to create our trigger. So right here, you just have to select user comments in your post or reel. Okay, so just have to select which post or reel do you want to use in automation. You just have to select one of your posts, or you can also click on all of your posts and then just click on continue. Okay, so you just have to select the Instagram publication and then just click on continue. So right here, you just have to go ahead and what will start your DM automation. So you have to type out right here specific keywords to trigger your reply. Okay, so for example, if the comments include these keywords, you have hello, hi, period, how, or etc. And then just click on continue. Right here, you just have to set up a public reply in the feed. So here you just have to type out the automated message that you want to reply to your commentors. Okay, so for example, please check your DM. We have sent you a message. So you have to, create at least 3 before you can save this one, and then just click on save. And then right here, what you're going to do next is we have to create our second step. Okay, we are going to type it right here, our send message. So let's just create a simple one since this is not the focus of this video. We are focusing on how to reply in an automated way. So for example, I'm just going to type out hello, good day, and then just have to set this one to live. So after finalizing your send message, just have to click on the send live or set live option, this one at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then let's try to use my other account and try to comment on that specific post. So right here, I'm using my different account and I'm going to click on one of the posts. Okay, so right here, I'm going to go to the comment section and I'm going to type out hi or how or all of the keywords that we have put in our automation. Okay, so what you're going to do next is you have to go back to your notifications and refresh it. And as you can see, we have received the automated reply from that specific post. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.